A couple things I really like about this sander. For one, it has the extra handle here, so it just helps you to get a better grip, better control. As is, the sander has a nice rubber grip, so it's easy to hold onto with the handle and this grip here. The other thing I like about this is you can see this is a bit larger of a sander than a lot of your Orbital sanders. This has a lot of power. If you want to sand something down fast, you can definitely do it with this sander. This was sent to me so I could make this video. Let's go ahead and have a closer look. Let me show you everything that you get with this sander. So let's first check out the sandpaper grit sizes. Looks like you got 240, 180, 120, 80, and then your largest at 40. So you have the hook Velcro on the bottom. Let's see if I can do a good job matching up. Seems to stay on there nice and tight. I like that. So this is pretty beefy for a sander, and in fact beefy enough that it has a separate handle. So you can loosen this up and then move this down to where it's comfortable for you, tighten it back up again, and then it's not going to move at all. You got your simple on-off button here, and then on the front is where you can control the speed. So it does come with its own dust catcher. If you want to hook that up, you just kind of plop that on, twist it, and then you have that nice and secure. That's going to get a decent amount of dust. If you want to use your own system, then you can use this and then hook up your own hose to get all the dust from that. It is nice that it does have a variable speed. I think the dust catcher does an okay job collecting the dust. Now, of course, it's not going to collect everything, but it is nice that it has the attachment. So if you have a vacuum system, to have that extra suction, that does help a lot. Overall, really nice sander, great for home or construction projects.